As a result of the COVID-19 pandemic, the Indian economy will contract 5% in the current financial year, as per the rating agency Standard & Poor's, assuming that the ongoing pandemic will peak by September. The rating agency also said that the COVID-19 outbreak in India and over 2 months of the lockdown resulted in a sudden stop in the economy and the economic operations. The economic activities will face ongoing disruption over the next year as well as the country transitions to a post-COVID-19 world. S&P also said it is assuming the pandemic will peak around September quarter, and a big hit to growth will mean a large permanent economic loss and a deterioration in balance sheets. The rating agency said India has limited room to maneuver on the policy front. The Reserve Bank of India cut policy rates, remember, by 0.4% this month. Other global and Indian rating agencies have also forecast a dismal outlook for the Indian economy this year, with a recovery possible only next year. Among other major forecasts for India GDP by major agencies, State Bank of India has predicted a 6.8 contraction for the economy in the current financial year, while Nomura has pegged this figure at minus 5.2%. Goldman Sachs, Fitch and Crisil have predicted a 5% contraction for the Indian economy in the current financial year, while Citibank and HSBC Bank have predicted contractions of 3.5% and 3% respectively. However, Moody's and Barclays have predicted growth to remain at 0% or flat this year. The Indian government has announced rupees 20 lakh crore or $266 billion worth of economic stimulus package for the Indian economy, which it claims is 10% of India's annual GDP. Indian security